I'm a cartoon. Yeah. Hello.
Hatsune Miku!
This is so weird. I've never seen anything like that.
I'm telling you guys, machines are taking over.
How do you think they made this cartoon appear on the stage like it was real?
I don't know. I think it was like a green screen.
I think they projected her.
Computers these days, technology. Oh, kids these days with all their techno gadgets.
Want the person dress up like it? They just put a bunch of makeup like that. That coat she just wear. My favorite.
What about her bandmates? Because there was a real drummer and a real guitarist here with this animated character. So what would you do if you were in a band and your lead singer was a cartoon?
Be a little strange.
Well, it depends on how much I get paid. You know?
I would find a way for myself to be fired from that band. Fire me!
So her voice is actually computer generated using a computer program.
Wouldn't sound like a robot like, hi, I am this and that.
Are they like eating Lucky Charms? Like, what's going on? No, I say that because one day I ate Lucky Charms and then the rest of the day was just a blur.
I think the people who were in the concert should get their money back.
You do not have to buy tickets for fake music.
You just said that it was catchy and that you liked it and you wanted to dance to it, but now you know all of this and now you're changing your mind.
Yeah, because I'm not spending money for fake music.
If you found out that your favorite singer, do you have a favorite singer?
Yes.
Who is it?
Cody Simpson.
If you found out he's actually made by a computer, would that change the way you view him?
Actually, not really, because I mean, everything would just be the same. It's just he's made by a computer.
But you
Wait.
could never meet him.
Oh, yeah.
Does that matter? Because you probably...
Yes, because I'm gonna marry him. So...
What makes it fake?
It's fake because she's not real. Her voice isn't real.
But someone made it, so it exists.
No, it doesn't.
But you,
It
you're
exists
looking
in the
at it.
computer. This isn't even real. This is all fake. It's fake. It's all fake.
I don't know that one. I don't know for that one. I don't recognize that question.
Are there any benefits of having a singer that isn't real?
Fly up in the air and never come back down.
What are bad things about a cartoon singer?
Well, you don't get to meet her. Well, you could go online and say, hi, but you don't know what you're talking to.
So now that you know this type of technology exists, what do you think could be next?
A real person?
Oh, 1 second, let me create Tom Matthews, the next Leonardo DiCaprio.
Dragon Ball Z or Naruto fights in real life.
Who would win?
Dragon Ball Z.
If the Naruto changed into the Ninetales...
Oh, it'll be over, especially Kubi, like the
Just
giant
saying.
fox thing.
Just
Yeah.
saying, I don't know.
But Naruto's do all that stuff.
Right? Yeah, he'll shadow clone himself, even though that never works.
I know, he
Shadow
just
cloning always
touch
fails.
him and then boom, it explode
Exactly.
into white smoke.
The people that made it, they maybe won't it.
Will they ever be able to make a computer program that looks and talks just like you?
Yes.
Would you want that?
No.
Why wouldn't you want that?
Cause I want a little girl who is 5 years old.
People think I'm Japanese, but I'm not Japanese.
What are you?
I'm Indonesian. Now, you people who call me Japanese, now you know.